Let's focus on a big urban issue in Bengaluru, which is about school buses. And it's been a problem all along. This morning, some dramatic images, and if we can play that there on your screens. A school bus which was trying to overtake another school bus on the left-hand side of the road got into a ditch, putting in danger the lives of school children in that school bus. Now, this is maybe a one-off incident, but it flags concerns over school buses in the city, and there have been multiple studies. In fact, one school, one private institution, the Inventure Academy, had even done a study which went viral on the amount of time school children spend on school buses. My colleague Deepak Bopanna first talks about the incident in, where the school bus went into a ditch. And he also then reports on this larger study about the amount of time school children spend on school buses. Listen in.
We're standing now in Badagere Main Road. This is ward number 149, and you can see the pathetic condition of this entire stretch of the road as my video journalist tries to traverse through this stretch. There's a massive traffic jam, and now you'll see vehicles pass through, everyone trying to avoid the poor condition, or at least one side of the road, which is in a pathetic condition. The entire road, of course, is in a poor condition, and people try to avoid potholes, resulting in absolute chaos, especially in peak hours. There's puddles of water everywhere. The asphalting, of course, has come out. The potholes are at least 2 to 3 feet deep. And earlier today, there was a school bus that was passing through this stretch of the road and nearly toppled because there is not even a footpath. For the residents, this has been a perennial problem. Repeated cries for help have only fallen on deaf ears. You can see heavy vehicles pass through, motorists, cars, everyone, day and night struggle through this stretch of the road. Let me speak to a few residents here who probably could highlight the kind of problems that they've been facing. Tell us, how long has this issue existed? How many people have you complained to, and what is the solution that they're offering?
It has been forever. So at the t-shirt I am wearing, this is the picture of the same place 3 years ago, which was fully flooded. Nothing has been done. They have met commissioner, zonal commissioner when it was BBMP. We keep calling the engineers. They tell BBMP is the problem, BWS is the problem, SWD is the problem. They don't know anything. All they take is money. MLA keeps complaining she doesn't have funds. Where are the funds going? Why is she not fighting for her funds? Who is responsible for all these things? Absolutely.
And you're holding a placard which says refund tax, we will build our city. I think this is a sentiment that many people, especially in the IT corridor, are echoing. Tell us more about how what you feel when you see your condition of the road like this.
So today one school bus fell in. Yeah. It's not my kid's bus, but tomorrow it could be mine. Yeah. There were kids in there who are traumatized, who got minor injuries. It's a big accident waiting to happen. We can't let this happen to our children.
About a month ago, NDTV, of course, had brought an extensive report from this stretch of the road, highlighted the problem. At that point in time, the residents tell me that the GBA commissioner, Mr. Maheshwar Rao, was here. That's what some of you all told me. But did he do anything? Did he give any assurances that time?
Yeah, so see, 3 years before itself, I have come here, I've given reports, every report, but no action till now. After the NDTV report, GBA commissioner came inside the same layout, and still we don't see action. Here, when the drains are, there is no continuity, how will the water flow? Yeah. So that is why we are telling refund tax and we will build a city. Ideally, MLA and MP has to follow up with the commissioners and the officers and get things done. Absolutely. But we are literally screwing up our office jobs, office time, and we are coming here to do to report to the officers and to file cases in the fight the cases in the Lokayukta. Why are we doing this when we are paying taxes? So refund the tax, we will build our city. Many have lost their lives in this, and every parent here, they are so scared they are very scared to send their kids to the school because every day they are not sure whether they will come back alive or not.
Absolutely. What a strong sentiment that is, and they're saying that refund our tax and we are very much capable of building the roads. Will the authorities really wake up after these desperate cries for help is the biggest question that remains, even as thousands of people, lakhs of people on a daily basis struggle and fight for their lives as they pass through these treacherous stretches of roads in the city of Bengaluru. With video journalist Govind, this is Deepak Bopanna for NDTV.